What's up everybody? Alex here at MotoSport.com. We're out here in the Northwest testing out the new Artrax XC Enduro tires. These tires are the newest addition to the Artrax family. We're offering the rear tire in two compounds. You have your standard off-road as well as your sticky compound. The front tire comes in a fat 91/21 size. The size of the front tire is going to cause less front wheel deflection as well as better absorb the hits from roots and rocks on the trail. This is going to allow you to be less fatigued at the end of your ride. The rear sticky compound is going to act like a trials tire on wet roots and rocks, but it comes in an off-road tread pattern, which is going to increase the tire's performance on dirt. We tested it out on a mini enduro course here. We rode over some wet logs and some wet rocks and it hooked up really good. We also got to test it out on some of the trails around the area and it performed extremely well. I was running the tire today on a tubeless system, and with lower pressures, I was really impressed by the flex the tire was getting over the wet roots and rocks we were riding. For riders looking for a tire with increased tread life, I recommend going with the standard compound. That tire is also going to provide increased traction in soft dirt and sand conditions. Overall, these tires perform great. They're offered at a competitive price and they're available exclusively at MotoSport.com.